about fire suppression system. Fire suppression system is system used to prevent and extinguish fires by combining fire detection device and extinguishing system device work automatically and simultaneously. Why use a fire suppression system? Because this fire suppression system has a sensor against hotspots or fire point. This system is very effective for the first prevention of fire hazard. In principle, if the sensor is touched by a fire point or a hotspot, then the hotspot will trigger a rupture of the nozzle or tubing and will automatically spray liquid media to extinguish the fire in the area. Can it be applied anywhere? This fire suppression system? Fire suppression system can be applied to vehicle, heavy equipment, and machine that work non-stop. Besides that, it can also be applied to archive room, server room, control room, electric panel room, electronic or semiconductor warehouse. What is the difference between a fire hydrant system and a fire suppression system? Functionally, the two systems are the same. The difference is the media used. Fire hydrant system, the fire extinguishing media used is water. Because water is corrosive, it can damage component, especially electrical component or electronic component in the extinguishing area. Fire suppression system. The fire extinguishing media used is an environmentally friendly liquid, clean and non-corrosive, so that it is safe and does not damage component, especially electronic component or electrical component in the extinguishing area. The location of the heat sensor. The first method is a fire suppression system that uses a nozzle or sprinkler as a heat or fire sensor. If the heat touches the sensor, it will break and spray liquid media to extinguish the fire. This method is less effective because if there is a fire at the bottom, so that to break the sensor, you have to wait for the fire to grow until it touches the sensor and break it to spray liquid media in the pipe. The second method is to use special fire suppression tubing, where the heat sensor or fire sensor is located on the entire tubing plane or along the attached tubing. This method is very effective because if there is a fire in any area, the fire point or hotspot directly touch the tubing wall and solve it so that it can spray liquid media to extinguish the fire in the fire point area. Alright everyone, take a look at this video, simulation of the fire suppression system.